Ow, ow, my teeth hurt. Can you help me out? Oh no, Mr. Play-Doh Ed, what's wrong? I don't know. I ate a bunch of sweets and then my teeth started hurting. Yikes. I can't be too sure, but it looks like you got some cavities, Mr. Play-Doh Ed. Let's take you to the dentist right away. Alright, Mr. Play-Doh Ed. Welcome to the dentist. Let's start by checking out your teeth. Oh, there's a cavity right here. There's another one right here. And there's one up here too. But not a problem. We can fix this right away. Start by using this drill. Alright, now let's pluck all the bad teeth. Here's 1, 2, and 3. Now let's replace them with brand new teeth. There's 1, here's 2, and 3. Perfect! You're all set, Mr. Play-Doh Ed. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for taking me to the dentist. I don't know how I can ever repay you. You know what, Mr. Play-Doh Ed? There is a way you can pay me back. You've been eating way too many sweets lately. Let me feed you some fruits and veggies, and we'll call it even. Okay, fine. Alright, here's a basket filled with a bunch of fruits and vegetables. Mr. Play-Doh Ed's going to be eating all of these fruits and vegetables today, and hopefully he'll start eating them more in the future. Let's start by chopping up this carrot. Here are the chopped carrots. Let's go feed this to Mr. Play-Doh Ed. Alright, Mr. Play-Doh Ed, we're gonna start with carrots. Here you go. Aww. Not bad, right? Let's try something else now. Let's see. This time we'll slice up some bananas. Awesome! Alright, Mr. Play-Doh Ed. Here come the sliced bananas. Aww. That one tasted much better than the carrots, huh? Now let's try something else. This time, let's slice this orange in half. Perfect! Okay, Mr. Play-Doh Ed, here comes another fruit. Aww. Oranges are delicious, huh? They're juicy too. Now let's slice this cucumber in half. Excellent! Here you go, Mr. Play-Doh Ed. Aww. Probably not sweet like the orange, but cucumbers have a clean taste. Now let's slice this apple in half. Mr. Play-Doh Ed's going to love this. Here comes the apple, Mr. Play-Doh Ed. Aww. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Now let's slice this bell pepper. Time for some more veggies. Here you go, Mr. Play-Doh Ed. Aww. I'm not sure if he liked it. Bell peppers can be pretty bitter. Now let's slice this tomato in half. Oh, these tomatoes look good. Here you go, Mr. Play-Doh Head. Aww. What a juicy bite. Tomatoes are yummy, huh? Now let's slice this pear in half. More fruit for Mr. Play-Doh Head. Hope you like pears, Mr. Play-Doh Head. Aww. Pears are juicy with both a unique sweet and citrus-like flavor. Alright, now let's give Mr. Play-Doh Head some grapes. Awesome! Here come the grapes, Mr. Play-Doh Head. Aww. Wow, he ate it all. Hopefully he spit out the seeds. Now let's give him some corn. More veggies for Mr. Play-Doh Head. Let's see how well Mr. Play-Doh Head eats corn on the cob. Aww. He did a pretty good job. Now let's slice the strawberry in half. This is one of my favorite fruits. Hope you like this, Mr. Play-Doh Head. Aww. I'm pretty sure he liked it. Strawberries are super sweet. 2 more to go. Let's slice this kiwi in half. Another fruit for Mr. Play-Doh Head. Hope you like kiwis. Here you go. Aww. Kiwis have a fresh, tangy, sweet taste, so I'm sure he liked it. Last but not least, let's slice this watermelon in half. One final fruit for Mr. Play-Doh Head. Here are some watermelon slices, Mr. Play-Doh Head. Aww. I'm sure that was a refreshing way to end your meal. Wow, thank you so much. Fruits and vegetables are really delicious. I'll try to eat more of it moving forward. I hope you do, Mr. Play-Doh Head. See ya.